Buenos días, docente. Soy el estudiante Faria Andreu Tuvías del curso Inglés 1, 2. Y hoy día vengo a presentar mi trabajo correspondiente a la semana 8. Hi, excuse me. I'm new in the city. Are there any interesting place to visit? Hi, yes, there are a lot of place. There a big park near here. It's new to the library. There is a museum. It's a positive in the hospital. Greek. Is a shopping mall? No, there is a shopping mall. Is this the area? But there are somewhat small shops or main street. Thank you. How do you head to the park? It's easy. Go to a straight walk 2 blocks and to right. The park is behind the library. Where is the museum? It's at the end of the street, next to the bus station. Is there any place to eat near the museum? Yes, there are many restaurants between the museum and the bus station. Perfect. Thanks a lot. Oh, you're welcome. Enjoy your visit. Bye.